members of the City Board of Canvassers do hereby certify under oath that we have duly canvassed the votes cast in 225 clustered precincts for the candidates therein for Vice Mayor in the elections held on May 12, 2025. Attached hereto and forming part thereof is a statement of votes by precincts garnered by each candidate for the office of the Vice Mayor. That after such canvass, it appears that Uy Rekwek, PMP, garnered 71,491 votes for the office of Vice Mayor, the same being the highest number of votes legally cast for said office. On the basis of the foregoing, we hereby proclaim the above-named winning candidate as a duly elected Vice Mayor of City of Iligan, Province of Lanao del Norte. With this, whereof we affix our signatures and imprint our thumb marks in the City of Iligan, Province of Lanao del Norte, this May 13, 2025 at 2:18 in the afternoon. Signed, Attorney Analisa Tibaledo, Chairperson, Attorney Abdul Kaformat Kihawani Malonto II, Vice Chair, and Jonathan Estela Peña, Member Secretary. Congratulations, Vice Mayor. Can we request the new Vice Mayor? I request the members of the board to please join as the elected Vice Mayor of Iligan City. Now for the position of